Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your CoinTracker account permanently. If you've decided to stop using CoinTracker and want to delete the account permanently, then first of all, open up the CoinTracker application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. This will then open up this settings menu where you'll need to tap on account. Under account, scroll all the way down and click on delete account button. Now select if you'd like to delete your account and then also make sure to tap on this account. This action cannot be undone. After you check both of those boxes, click on delete account. Right after you do that, you'll be redirected to this main welcome screen and your account has now been deleted. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.